Baylor49 here, and this is my friend Eden.
Hola.
So you got pizza?
I got your cheese.
No pizza.
I got pizza.
Well, that looks like grilled cheese.
I know.
It's grilled cheese, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, I was going to review. Well, not review, but I want to show you my cat, Jet. She's petting her.
Can I hold her?
Well, she might. She doesn't really like getting hold. Anyway, she's a really cute cat. And this is my cat, not hers, right?
Yeah, I have a cat named Pikachu.
Yes, they like Pokemon. This cat's named Jet, and it's mine. And I love her. And yes, that is Victoria. She's watching it, right?
Mhm.
And I'm doing a little thing. She likes the cat. She was my second cat. I saw her birth. That was kind of awkward. Yeah, my cat had a baby, and I saw her get born, and I don't want to talk about it. That was just weird. I know how life is made, and I did not want to see it. So anyway,
Lucas, she likes this.
I know all the cats do. Look, she's smiling. Who's a cutie? Who's a cutie?
See, guys, I was touching her and she fell asleep.
Anyway, yeah, Jet's a black cat. Her mother is Fluffy. Fluffy's outside because she took a whiz in my room. She took a whiz in my room. This was my review on I'm showing you my cat Jet, and let me show you. Wait. Hey. Let me get her face. Wait, where's her face? She's sleeping. Oh, look at her sleep. I'm going to turn it sideways. So. Ear. Oh, look at her sleep. See that? But this is her head. Yeah, and she's darling. Leave a comment if you think she's cute. And so, yeah, I want to say, how about this? Jet signing off. Who's a cutie? Who's a cutie? I love you, Jet.
I love you, Jet.
Yeah.
I love even Lucas's cat, Jet. She's so cute.
Mm-hmm.
Shh, she's sleeping. It's a boy. He's sleeping.
Mm-hmm. Oh gosh, this is still recording. Sorry guys, now Jet signing off. God, sorry about that. Oh, by the way, I'm recording this with my iPod 4.